Now that you've made an appointment to have your water meter installed, here's what you can expect.
Hiya, you're right, it's Darryl from Yacht Utilities. I've just come to install your water meter.
Brilliant.
Cheers. We usually fit the meters internally under the sink because they're only small. If there's any issues, we fit them externally on the footpath. Just have a quick look at this. Yeah, there's no issues here, that's absolutely great. I'll get to work, shouldn't be long at all.
Okay. Get you a tea or coffee?
No, I'm okay, thanks. Thanks for the offer. Yeah, cheers.
Fitting a meter doesn't take too much time, but if some minor joinery is required, this may take slightly longer than expected.
Mrs. Roberts, all finished now?
Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, no problem. If you want to take a quick look.
Yeah.
Your new meter is read remotely. However, you can also submit your meter readings via our website and our app. To do this, please enter the black and white digits as these are used to calculate your bill.
That's great. Thank you very much for your time.
No problem. Right, Mrs. Roberts, that's everything installed. All your meters installed, no problem.
There you go. Getting a water meter fitted doesn't take too much time and space in your home. For tips on how to save money on your bill and to order free water saving devices, get in touch today.